do love you. Well, holy moly, me, oh my, you're the apple of my eye. Girl, I never loved one like you. And man, oh man, you're my best friend. I scream into the nothingness. There ain't nothing that I need. Well, hot and heavy, pumpkin pie, chocolate candy, Jesus Christ. Ain't nothing please me more than you. Our home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Our home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. I follow you into the park, through the jungle, through the dark. Girl, I never loved one like you. And boats and waterfalls, alleyways and payphone calls. I've been everywhere with you. We laugh until we think we'll die, barefoot on a summer night. Nothing new is sweeter than with you. And in the streets you're running free, like it's only you and me. Gee, you're something to see. Our home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Our home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Our home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. Our home, let me come home. Home is whenever I'm with you. As the snow flies on a cold and gray Chicago morning, a poor little baby child is born in the ghetto. And his mama cried, 'cause if there's one thing that she don't need, it's another hungry mouth to feed in the ghetto. People, don't you understand? The child needs a helping hand, or he'll grow to be an angry young man someday. Take a look at you and me. Are we too blind to see? Do we simply turn our heads and look the other way? Well, the world turns, and a hungry little boy with a runny nose plays in the street as the cold wind blows in the ghetto. And his hunger burns, so he starts to roam the streets at night, and he learns how to steal and he learns how to fight in the ghetto. And then one night in desperation, a young man breaks away. He buys a gun, steals a car, tries to run but he don't get far. And his mama cries as the crowd gathers round, an angry young man face down on the street with a gun in his hand in the ghetto. As her young man died on a cold and gray Chicago morning, another little baby child is born in the ghetto. starting conversation. All my friends are turning green. You're the magic and assistance in their dreams. And they come unstuck, lady, running down to the riptide, taking it away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. And there's this movie that I think you like, and this guy decides to quit his job and heads to New York City. This cowboy's running from himself, and she's been living on the highest shelf. And they come unstuck, lady, running down to the riptide, taking it away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. I just wanna know if you're gonna stay. I just gotta know. I can't have it any other way. I swear she's destined for the screen, closest thing to Mrs. Pfeiffer that you've ever seen. Lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong. Oh lady, running down to the riptide, taking away to the dark side. I wanna be your left-hand man. I love you when you're singing that song, and I got lump in my throat, 'cause you're gonna sing the words wrong.